Alright guys, so today we're going to pack up the Sienna for an early trip tomorrow. I'm going to visit my son in the Central Coast, and we're going to do some stealth camping, some fishing, some golfing. We'll see how that goes. Let's pack it up and leave early in the morning. I am haphazardly packed, but I do plan to put the boat in my son's garage when I get there, and the golf clubs and stuff. Hopefully we'll be in his garage too when I'm stealth camping. So let's go to sleep and wake up early tomorrow morning and head out. All right, it's bright and early. Well, it's not really bright, it's just early. I'm off to see my son in San Luis Obispo. He's my middle son. He's the second of three, so I haven't seen him for a little bit. So I'm pretty excited about going there. We're gonna do some golfing, make some fishing, and whatever else. We're just gonna hang out. But it'll be good. It's gonna be about hopefully a 4-hour drive and not longer. We'll see when we get there.
Turn left on Los Osos Valley Road.
All right, I'm here. Here's my son Ethan. So happy to see him. All right, we're gonna go have some fun. All right, here we are. Low Bay Golf Course. Looks beautiful. Can't wait. I beat him 3 out of 5 times every time. We'll see if this is the 3 or the 2. There are plenty of holes that have ocean views on this golf course. It looks fantastic. He beat me really bad by 12 strokes. All right, we just finished our round of golf and I'm gonna start getting ready. Well, I have daylight to go in stealth mode. All right, so I'm almost completely in stealth mode. You can see I got the Reflectex there. I got my cover here. Over on the front side, I have Reflectex underneath my curtains, which I probably don't even need the curtains, but I'm just doing it for a little extra security. There too. And when I put down those curtains, it'll cover up just about all the light and I should be good to go. All right, as you can see, just a little bit on the top. We'll cover that with a towel later, but for now, I'm good to go. All right, I got the light up. Hanging up my jacket in the closet. I don't know if I actually need to whisper yet, since it's not that late. I'm gonna take a nap. It was a long drive, and I just got done with a long round of golf. All right, I got changed, and now I'm gonna watch a movie. Gonna watch some Fallout. There's a surprising amount of room in here. It's actually quite comfortable if you want to just hunker down and go to sleep. And if you want to lounge for a while, it's actually been quite comfortable. I've been sitting here for a few hours watching some movies and taking a short nap and things like that. But, you know, when it gets a little bit darker, I'm probably going to go and take a shower in my shower and then get ready for bed. Okay, so here's a look at the other end. When I'm lounged back here with my back against the rear lift gate, you can see, man, there's a lot of room in here. I'll probably cook a little snack too in a little bit. All right, nature is calling. I'm gonna go explore. There's a Costco and assorted other stuff nearby, so I'm going to go use the restroom, and we'll be back later tonight. I've never been to a Bevmo that's like a convenience store. There's snacks, chips, and meals, frozen meals. Of course, in SLO, there's Cal Poly beer. Gotta do it. All right, I love chicken tikka masala. Let's try it. Good Lord, it was cold and windy out there, so I parked next to this bush here. But that's the way I look. All right, so I'm back. I got some of that chicken tikka masala. I'm gonna cook that up in a little bit. But right now, it's cold out there, but it's actually quite hot in here. It's quite cozy in here, as a matter of fact. Just like home, I'm gonna throw my clothes in the closet. And just like Steve Wallace, now that I'm settled down, it's time for a step 2. Catching up on some of my YouTube videos. All right, time for my snack. Make some holes. Minutes. It's post you have to keep. All right. Now I'm supposed to take it out and mix it up. Another minute and a half and I should be done. Ouch. All right, that should be it. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. It was indeed a pretty tasty snack. Well, that's what I thought of that meal. Not bad at all. So if you like Indian food and you're in the freezer section, this might be a good option for you. All right, so I put a towel to fill in those gaps so no light is going to escape now. Everything is covered up and we are in full stealth mode, and I'm gonna pack in for the night. that's it for me. Good night. Alright guys, just got up. I slept quite well. It was pretty comfortable. The incline was pretty flat, so I think I slept pretty well. Anyways, let's get started on my day. Instant coffee. All right, we're ready to launch my little dinghy off of Morro Bay. It's gonna be a nice day. I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up, but there's a kite festival going on today. So they're gonna have a lot more kites by the end of the day. All right, our boat's a little undersized for this harbor, but we got our lines in and we got a great view of the Morro Rock. Let's see if we could get something. Well, we didn't catch any fish, but we're having a good meal and shooting some pool. All right, guys, I just had a shower, but sorry I cheated. I could not turn down the warm shower in my son's place, so I took a shower at his place. Next time we'll shower back there. I have showered back there before, and you know, it's doable. It's definitely doable, but today, hot shower is better. I'm gonna take a nap and then we'll see what's for dinner. Not really camping food, but we're having some Japanese Peruvian fusion. I wanted to take my son somewhere nice, so we started off with some short rib appetizers, and he had the lomo saltado, which was really good. And me, I had the chef's special, I forgot what it was called. All right, now I'm headed back home. My son has to work early in the morning, so I decided just to leave tonight and not stay one more night. All right, signing off.